Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard font size on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone, and you're going to scroll down until you find general management setting. Tap on the settings, and you're going to tap on the keyboard settings right here. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the font size option, this one. And if you want to make your keyboard font size bigger, you can tap on this plus icon like this. And if you want to make it smaller, you can tap on this minus icon like this. And I'm going to make it bigger, so I'm going to click on this plus icon. And okay, now as you can see that my keyboard font size has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change keyboard font size on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.